Continue mo na, oy. Hi, everybody. Na-off man ako ang YouTube, oy. Unsa man to, oy. Na-off. Unsa may natats ako ato, oy. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Hi, everybody. Magbabalik na po tayo, everyone. Simple ang panpamili. Back to, ala, oy. Ni back man ni siya, oy. Ay, Diyos ko, God, oy. Ni back siya. Unsa man to akong natats ato, oy. Na ako natats, everyone. Ayang atong YouTube, oy. Madilit itong Lisa kay nabak man siya, oy. Go, everybody is okay na. I think it's 18 minutes or 15 minutes, everyone, until I'm walking, but it's sayang kay back man siya, oy. Back na ako na-touch, everybody, oy. Saon mo Lisa, oy nga. Sunglass pa mo. Upat na mga mata na ko, everybody, pura buyak. Na ako na-touch. Sayang, oy, back may film. Ay, God. Normally is 18 or 15. We are a little bit long, I think, today. Okay. my film is back. Disturbing po yung mga trees, oy. I like the view. Disturbing, everyone, the trees. Now, we are in the building here, the front, in the top. But later, we go down to the back of the building. Little bit pa walking, Lisa. Magdali-dali ta kay Paris. Sabi nga ako ang gilakwan, everyone. Uy, malun. Paris. Look, oh, what a view. What a nice view here, oh. Summertime here, everybody. It's summertime. Ito yung beginning man siya, oy. The beginning. What happened, oy? Beginning man siya, oy. Isumpay lang ito na ako ulit. Tingali ini download. Ginoo, oh my God. Natats na ko di mao, oy. Ay, lisura lagi. Lisura ni master ta sa. Master of the katuon lang taan ni bisita ka mao. Ay, ita. My goodness, God. Anyway, I have a perfect kalo na, everyone. I have a perfect round kalo. I don't like to the other ko. Just only my piece, the other one, yeah. Pagtung akong tingkoy, oy. Only of getting more and more black one is I like the round cover of the head, yeah. Ay, back job just Lisa, look. Anay, wa pa yuta ay ni. 3 minutes pa mani, oy. Normally I am already 20 minutes. Balik man ako. Ay, it will be back my film. Unsaon man everybody nga na-touch ng Lisa, oy. Paita. I touch the wrong one, yeah. God. Oh. I have to control it, everyone. My YouTube, yeah. Tanaw na ko 15 subscribes. Makita man na ako, everybody, in the dashboard, yeah. The board with me, the board. Tabil, yeah. Board, yeah. Blackboard, yeah. Blue board, yeah. Green board. Makita na ko, everyone, 15 subscribes na ko. Who is my subscribers, yeah. At saka 15 nakapalo. Makita na Lisa, oy. Dili ta kabakak. Kaya subscribe na po kayo dyan. Disturbing ko ng mga plant. Uy, nice. Yung review, oh. The view here is very nice. Problem is disturbing the plant. Isura ng mga hirap talaga. I'm alone, everyone. Now we go in the forest and everybody in the shadow. I hope nobody is there. Nobody is there, everyone. Okay. Everything's clear there. That we are in the top. Later we go back there in the building, in the back of building there. We go there, yeah. We go over there. Ay, sayang. Go back, yeah. Beginning again. We start in the beginning again, everyone. I'm so sorry, yeah. Saon mas simple ang pan pamili nga. Ay, wrong touch man, ay touch man, the wrong one. Very noisy building, di everyone daw tayo. Construction. Apartment. Dali-dali tayo, everyone, kay. Very dark, very under. Here in the forest, yeah. Nobody is there. There's only me. My God. My God. Guide me always, God. Kasi I'm alone, yeah. Wala pa dyan kung kakita of wild animals. Asa na hiding na sila. Nice. Downstairs, everyone. Problem sa trees, yeah. A tree. Malayo pa ang lakarin natin, uy. Layo pa itong lakarin. How many minutes ba, uy? Hala, uy, Ginoo, karugaya pa kung minutes, uy. Ay, 6 minutes pa man, uy. Ibak mo di siya sa kuan, uy, 0. Ibak. Ay. Okay, everyone, uy, gugugo lang tayo. Ibak siya. Wrong touch mo dahil touch mo wrong one. Kaya ipakita sa ako itong tao na bisbis. Ibak man siya, uy. Paris na everybody, ah. Guide me, God. Lord in Jesus Christ, yeah. I'm alone. Dapat sa downstairs ako, everybody. Pero gusto na kong shadow. Shadow akong gusto ka. Allergy mo ko sa saan. Saan allergy? Dali lang po tayo, everyone. Pero lingi taluyo. Lingi. Very quiet, everyone. Very quiet, guys. Kutas lagi ni tigil lagi. Kutas ang tigil. Kasakan na si babaw buntod. Thank you, everybody is coming. One guy. Very nice in the shadow walking, everyone. Let's see. I'm very happy because anybody is walking, not only me. Not only me. I think it's a boy. Girl. She is a girl. I think she is a boy. Girl. One girl is walking, everyone. Ay, thank you, Lord. And go out na Paris na zone. Very perfect in the shadow, everybody. When the sun is very strong, it's very perfect in the forest, yeah. But I do not go up and up na. No down. I have to go down. I'm scared now. I'm scared, everyone. Ito ay malo niya. So, lakad na po ako ba? Pababa na po ako, everybody. And I am going down. Down. Yeah. Kasagad sila isang tuplok. Ay, paitaw eh. Kapuya eh. Back to zero. No? Normally, it's already 30 minutes na maybe. Is the very saon na natouch na nakuha di mao. Saon sa sunglass man ko very strong na saan everyone. Naupat man akong mata. Natouch ako ang di mao. We have arong ya. Nah, we do not go there. Everybody cemetery there. Nobody is there. I'm scared ya. We have to go na down. I like that many people who can walking, not nobody. I'm scared. Diyos ko. I'm very happy to go down everybody. Everybody is there. Visiting. Come on. Maybe visit his wife or really. I have to go now. It's my tenant. Everybody's walking. Everyone there upstairs. Yeah. You will go up. Yeah. Now this one everyone is that is for when the people siya kung mamatay na diha na siya. Diha na siya misahan niya. Different ang church diri sa mga sa namatay different ya. That is the church. Ini mass diri. Grabe ni tao eh. 30 degree over ya. Init kayo. Dapat mo out ako niglakaw sa mga bata. Nalangan magugupay. Butiring para plant ya. 1 hour over ay butiring plant. 9 o'clock na over I think I go out at 9 o'clock. Normally sa 8 o'clock I go. I'm late 1 hour ya. We cannot stay long time in the sun because the sun is very strong. Then I have a sun allergy. Grabe. Is man tanaw yuta ni kay usahay kusog padagan mga sakyanan diri. Mga sakyanan diri kusog kay padagan everyone. Dapat tayo mag-take care tayo. Take care. Now is to go down this one everybody. Straight of this one is the river. We go to the shadow of the river. Then back to the house. Yesterday we are only downstairs everyone. Today I was a little bit up. Diyos ko, oy, kamaya pa ako ang time. Oy, nibak magod siya, oy. Nibak siya. Nibak sa zero. Pero it's okay everyone, oy. Continue po tayo. We have to continue. At least, ya. Nasayang akong beginning. Oy, naar ba to'y sayaw gamay? Nasayang. Pero okay lang, oy. Kumbati po tayo everyone, oy. Subscribe sa po kayo sa akin. Please subscribe everybody. Agoy, okay ra strong ang sun, but I like when the wind is the strong as well. Then it's not so hot. Warning for rin home tiya. There is a warning. There is the dog. Warning is the warning everyone. For the dog ya. Manang na. Okay na for the dog ya. Because in the morning they have to go out the dog ya. Everybody. We go to the river side. Gripsy. Yeah. We clean home teacher. Exercise na yan. My son also drive here, under bridge. Guys, the bus, everybody upstairs on the bus. Going to the shopping, the bus, yeah. Hi, Friday na. After tomorrow's the birthday, my husband, yeah. Mag-order, my husband, he has to order a sandwich, yeah. I don't know how many sandwich he will order in the store. Fresh sandwich, he like, yeah. I said, order na lang kayo. If I make the spring rolls, maybe doesn't like for the colleague, the friend of my husband, maybe they doesn't like because that is a mini mini Muslim, yeah. Is not a mini Muslim. Is not, it doesn't eat baboy, yeah, please. Pork. Just only beef. I said no, I do not make, so maybe they doesn't like. I'm not sure. I said you have to order sandwich, yeah. It's much more better. Hi. We will pass in the shadow, everybody. Oy. Mag-shadow to eh. Ay, Diyos ko God. Bili tadi kay Goroy. Nakuang mata na ay video. Na ay kamera. Labay ra magkuko. Ay, labay ra ko. I pass only. I do not stop. Maalam niya na. Yeah. Area of the football, everyone. Ora. We go together football, everybody. Here, oh. The area of the football, ah. Basketball and football, yeah. Ready na. Ready for rock and roll, ah. The area of the football. Very nice, yeah. The problem, I do not play football, eh. Sus. Kanang pagdagan ako, Roy. Sakit man ako, eh. Sakit man ang kuan. Football, ang makuan sa mong ulo, eh. Ako, Roy. Kana sila kay wa na rin naman sila sakitan yan. Anad naman. Diba? Aga ako. No way. Si Uka. Yung chance para football si Uka. No chance. Ay. We are on the way to the river, everyone. Mag-refreshing mind pud sila sa river. I have to refresh my mind. The train will pass na dito. Oh, sayang. Go away the train na. God, the train is like. We have to go now. Beside the river. Wala ko ID, wala ko nakalimot ko. Wala dada akong ID. Kuan ako nga da tubig ra isu sa kumbagi everybody oy. Dali-dali. Usang bag na ko ang kuan. Nakuha ang kayamanan. Chay. Train na po do. Diba? Ito'y the train always man. Oy. Ay. Dili. Cargo everyone. Cargo. Cargo everybody. Oy. Oil. Very noisy. Very noisy. That is transport oil. Transport, yeah. Yeah, the other football area, everyone, o da. Ah, sus, kanindutan, udah dagan na. Oh, syaro, huldi, di ka makuan, makuhaan, bisan lang usang kilo. Oh, look, oh. Sus, distansya mo, balay na, paniduos balay, everyday, juko ani ka jogging. Everyday, juko ani ka dua-dua, oh. Distansya mas balay, mga 20 minutes, mo dito sa balay. 30 minutes long. Anay. Kanindutay, dagan dagan, everybody, oh. Oh, very hawan, oh, very clean. Very clean, ah. We can do it there for playing or running, playing ball, yeah. Ready na. Ready to rock and roll, yeah. The workings of the municipal will cut the grass, there is one. Di da si cut all kay mix step by step kay that is for the nature, everyone. The nature here is very nice, yeah. Beautiful nature we have, yeah. We don't have an ocean, but we have a river and lake. Very nice. How many minutes? I am 21 minutes, mamanaoy. Just ko God. Diri sa tayo, everyone, ipakita sa muna ko sa the way of the fish. We don't have to go there, everybody. There is camera, dada. There is a sign video. There is a video. And that is not allowed, everybody, I think. I have penalty there. We have to take care because there is the camera, yeah. Radar means radar. Look, oh, that is the way of the fish, everyone. Oh, very high tech. Oh, look, oh, that. That is the road of the fish. The road of the fish, everybody. Very high tech. Very nice. That is the road of the fish. What a nice. Very strong. Very nice, everyone. Very special here, everyone. Have a special road of the fish. Yeah, everybody, oh. Look. Yeah. I didn't see where is the fish, no. I cannot see. I'm sure there is a fish, everyone, yeah. I'm sure there is a fish. Very nice, yeah. What a nice, yeah. Until at over there in the body, everyone, connection to Germany. This one. Connection to Germany, everyone. This river, yeah. Very nice, yeah. Let's see. That's mommy. Okay, mommy. Look, oh. What a nice look, oh. Yeah. Very special, the way of the fish, yeah. I have to go back, everyone, yeah. Oh, the train is there, everybody, oh. The train is there, everyone, oh. That is the train, everyone, guys. I don't like to go this side, everyone, because that is on the way to Badin. Next of that is Next, that is the street. Germany, na, I do not go there. Germany, street area, I do not go in Waldshut. Far away. I'm go back to this side where I live. Look, oh, what a special way. The road of the fish. The way of the fish at everyone. Very special. Special way to the fish, yeah. The road of the fish, yeah. The way of the fish. Yeah. Very special. We go lang slowly everybody, oy. I go back to the shadow. Shadow. Yeah. Very nice, yeah. That is the bridge there, everyone over there, oh. Go back to the waiting in there and waiting in the other side is waiting in. So we have to go, everyone, oy. I do not go inside, everyone. There is a sign. There is a sign of the radar. Radar means is the video camera. There is. Uy, dog. A cat see. Ah, the cat is missing, everyone. Oh, Fermis. Fermis is missing, yeah. Cat si Balo. The name is the Balo. Ay, asam ro ka iringa ka. Ang buto ka asang iring. So, ipataas yung mga anybody's coming, yeah. So, I have to go this side here. Children there is coming. The children is coming. I like to go there. I like to go down here. Here. Go down a little bit. Okay, there is for children. Children with a caretaker, yeah. Here. You have to do it here. Tah. The family dogs, tara. Inti. What a nice wonderful da. Yay. Caretaker of the children da. The parents of that is working. They will pay that they will pay that 3 hours for hours, yeah. That is a family dogs, everyone, or inti, inti. Family dogs, yeah. Look da. Very nice. Agoy, the train again. Oh, going to Zurich. Ay, 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 ay. Going to Zurich, everybody train, yeah. Always the train pass here, everyone. You are not getting late, everybody. Yeah. Auntie, I don't have bread, Auntie. I'm so sorry. I don't have a bread for you. Maybe tomorrow I will be rain. I have in the house. Maybe tomorrow, yeah. Well, we'll see if I have a time because Friday I go to the dentist, yeah. I go to the dentist Friday. Bye, Auntie. They will go now anywhere, everyone. They will go now anywhere, yeah. Na. Kalupad na sila, everyone. I think, oy na. Ay, that is the other birds, oy. Dili mo na siya, Auntie, other one. So, I'm very happy if I come here in the beside the river, everybody. I'm very happy. I'm very happy if I can come here in the walking beside the river. That is my, I don't know, but I'm very happy if I can see that over there, yeah. So nice. Let's go, everyone. Continue, everybody. Oy. I have to be in the Banhok, go out over there because I have to cook for the lunch, yeah. My husband, my daughter is go home for the lunch. And look, oh, toilet. That is a toilet, yeah, here. Very trash can, so sitting also. You can sit there. So nice, the view. Oh my God. The view there. Yay! Lupad siya, hadlok siya. Hadlok. Hadlok siya na ako dyan. Mano yan, ito ko ang videos mano kay masuko yan ha. Gakuan ga sakayan. Sakayan si Manoy. Ito ko ng video kay sus. Mag-aar, bagbangas. Ay. Itong suko niya. Ay, ito tasyado pa. Ingon ako syado everybody eh. Kay, I feel now very hot. I feel now very hot my body. I like in the shadow eh. Because of a little bit cold. The shadow na. Boat. My husband is there. In the parking area of the boat. Is there. We do not go there. We do not go there. Just only if I ride boat, I go. Just oh God. Very quiet in this planet, yeah. In this planet, everyone is very quiet, yeah. Very quiet. Yeah, the clubhouse restaurant, not everyone over there. Yeah, the clubhouse there. There. Restaurant that, yeah. You can order if you are hungry. Hi. But I do not. I have a food here in the house, yeah. Here is very expensive, everyone. Uy, grabe. One order here, everybody is the one order here is what na 2,000 na in the piso. Grabe ka mahal. Saon ko na mao na style na dire. Grabe. Walay barato rin everyone. All is expensive ya. Mahal all ya mahal. Sus Ginoo ko normal. What is that na? 32 minutes man normally is almost 1 hour ang tawa pa kumubak na baak mo na agoy kindergarten. You have to take care of that. The kinder is coming everybody there. You have to put away this one. It's maintenance. You have to put away because there is a children here. The children walking. You have to respect everybody because many people doesn't like walking nila, kindergarten ya. You have to be aware. Agora is not open everybody. It's closed. We cannot go inside everyone. It's closed man here. I like here. It's closed. Sa ano na private mo here everyone. Private. We pass only. Cold and clean. Yeah. Swiss Olympic. Yeah. Cool and clean Swiss Olympic. Yeah. Swiss Olympic cool and clean. The nice, very nice. But oh, it's closed, man. Everybody, we cannot go there. It's not allowed. It's not open. Yeah. It's not allowed everyone. What you have to do is you have to go back in the house. Yeah. In the house. Sayang is closed, man. Ay, we cannot go inside. We cannot go inside everyone. It's closed. It's okay. We are only here. We are only here. It's okay. Kaya si Manoy kasi sunod si Manoy na ko bahala kaya manuya ka. Dito man siya speakers ni ari na po siya din dapita. Pero paspas pa kunin mo noy kay gasakayan kaya noy. Sakayan si Manny. Dili tulos. We have to go na. Shadow yun iki may lab may kapoy man indirect in the sun oy. My favorite is under the tree. My favorite is in the shadow, everybody. Just only in the shadow. Mo ko giingon na. Under the tree. Under the tree. Very quiet, everyone. Very quiet. Ay, nahanap yung kami. One guy, one guy. Pinalab you, wala kabukto no. Ano eh. Nice, magod here and under the beside the river, everyone. Very nice. For refreshing mind, yeah. Uy, bayi, uy, it's not lucky, uy. Bayi. I think it's lucky. Manang. Smiling, mas manang, uy. Smiling. Okay siya, pero smiling siya. Okay siya, smiling ya. Like me. Very friendly ba? Dili na to subo na itong batasan, everyone. Kay sus. Hindi na pwede subo ng batasan, oy. Unsa ganita sa una, kung unsa ganita sa una, maorag yapon taron. Dili na to usubon kay sus. Hindi na pwede subo ng batasan. In forever na yun na. Ay. Kay kung mag-high ka sa high kang very high ka in the world, i-down rajud ka to the earth, yeah. From the above. Dili na pwede mag-high ta. Down to the earth taya. Normal ba? Neutral, normal. Ay, saon mo magparetrates ka, magpa-high ka, wala rin. Maras ginhawa, ito ang tiyan, kakutoy. Patay. Saon lang. Bahala, nagwak o, basta magkakaon ko. 3 times a day. Importante yun na. Good health to everybody, oy. That is a very important of the life. Good health always, yeah. Yeah. Hapdos mga akong tiyan, oh. Nang hapdos akong tiyan, akong gainom kape. Kape, black kape, everyone, black. Nang hapdos ng tiyan ni Lisa, oy. Wah, kubak, tas lulo in the house, everyone. Kung saan mo na, I cannot bring you there, everybody, when it's like that, oh. And beside of the river is a mini trees. Very disturbing with me. Hey. Nako. Dali ta kay very noisy there. Very noisy there. Autobahn. Interstate awan ya. Very noisy. Interstate Tarera. That is a lot of cars there. A lot of truck, transport. Interstate at everyone. Interstate ya. Awan. Many connection everybody for all place that ya. Connection ya. Yeah, we are under a bridge everybody now. Continue to go back in the house. Yeah. Ay. What a quiet day. Every day just like this, yeah. Very quietly. Very quiet, everyone, yeah. So, what a nice, beautiful. Very nice, yeah. You have to go slowly, everyone. 40 minutes we are 40 minutes, yeah. Slowly to go back, like everyone in the house, yeah. Yeah. I'm very happy here, everybody. Oh, under the bridge. Very nice, yeah. I have to take care, there is the others, yeah. Let's see. There is the other with the dog. We have to be take care because it doesn't like that you doesn't like. I was over there. Oh, I was over there the other side. Now I am here, everybody. I'm here now. Yeah, it's much more better. I go walk like this than nobody else. Yeah, because some people walking here. I'm not so scared. Yeah, Mini is Sam. Yeah, Sam. Not Mini, Sam. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the stars that above, I will be here. I will be here until ah, refreshing mind just Lisa here. Sammo to just Lisa ni kada kalangan. I'm getting more and more long because of I'm very happy here. Ay, very good the weather. Oy. And the place here is very quiet and beautiful in nature. Everybody, look, oh, look the transport here every day, 24 hours, yeah. Every day, oh, night and day. It's like that. Because many place that they will go everyone, that road. Very important that road, yeah. That is for free everyone, you don't have to pay. It's not like in Italy, if you go anywhere you have to pay always, yeah. Paying and paying before you go in Italy entrance there is a pay. Here in Switzerland you don't have to pay everyone. Yeah. Like that only everybody order. Very nice. Wow, what a nice the water. Oh, beautiful, yeah. I'm very happy I'm here, yeah. Pretty. No, si manang tanaw na ko kaunsa may bayan. Yeah, bunders yun, yeah. Soon. Yeah. Tag. Ciao, ciao. Very friendly she is though, yeah. She told me nice, yeah. Beautiful. Have a nice day. She said to me, yeah. Yeah, walking on the old girl, yeah. Very friendly she is everyone. She stopped with me and she said hello, yeah. That is the nice. If you are Filipina, you so also Filipina, you don't have to see and you do not tell hello. Is that is not good. That is a very big difference. If you are a Auslander, you have to say hello. Dili kay pataas kasi imong pride kaayo nga bidugay na kay dire nya. Parang parang hindi na siya Pilipina. Kung ano siya different na iyang ugali, different na ba? High tech na siya is ba high tech. Si Lisa is the down to earth right siya. Kaon ka magpa-high tech ka asam ta paingon adto gyud punta paingon sa lain nga planet ya. Bako lang. Mura ko ingon nga ampul ko sa Ginoo Lord. Help me jud kay para refreshing mind at least always ba is not the problem is okay normal mo kun natay problema everyone natay lama sa kinabuhi normal ra na oy sama nagtiayo normal na adyo ng mga kuan labi nag imong bana na mystic niya ang asawa pud na mystic normal na Basta di lang magbugno, ay di lang magsumbagay. Ba lang, in 5 minutes, okay naman na. Sorry na in 5 minutes, sorry. The groups of the ducks, the wild ducks is there, oh. Enjoying the ducks, but I don't have bread, oy. Sayang. Bruna, oh, Bruna. So, she always lang kasi, hello, Bruna, bye-bye, Bruna, eh. I go now, but continue, eh. Normal na everyone, na ilamas kinabuhi kami. Managti ayo na ami, pero dili always, eh. Nahanglan ta maglabas sa isa't isa. Dili ta pwede angry kay ang heart to ano, eh. Maguba atong heart, ano, eh. Malipay jud ko basta na ako sa river mag-walking beside, oy, ngano man na, oy. Maka-remember ko sa tuwa nga dagat sa tuwa ba naras duol. More na ako ang kalipay jud ni river beside everyone, oy. Beside the river only, I am very happy, walking. Very nice everyone, oh. Beautiful, yeah. Family ducklings, family wild ducks, yeah. All together, yeah. Very nice, yeah. Interesting, yeah. It's imitinant. The haunted is the dog is make with me. Mutam siyang perfume, oy. Mutam ni behana perfume, oy. Kisa na tuning ko ana ni be. Kisa tuning paa ni be. Ay, just ko. Ginoo ko. Nga taan ni everybody, oy. We are there in the top over there. We are in the back of the building now, everyone. I am there in the top there over there in the forest there. But not in the top, down, a little bit down. I am there, yeah. Now I'm here na, beside in the river. Nus amre ta mag-enjoy. Sos, ginoo ko suwa na Lisa, 50 years old na. Colorful na ni atong buhok ani, pula-pula na gani, awa na puti na ni. Sunod. Mapula-pula na gani, babla na ni akong hair ni everyone wa na. Sunod ni white na. Panahon na ta ni Amerikana. Magkulor ta sa tong buhok everyone. Sa onon be ato sa ni ibutang boring man, oy. Boring mo og andir turaw ni wala met. Ay pag-ibig. Ay pag-ibig everybody. Ginoo ko God. Guide me always, God, yeah. Give me a lot of power, yeah. Every day and night, every hours, every minutes, yeah. Kay walay laing mulihok jud everyone. Guys, Lisa jud tan mulihok balay be. Don't top off dyan ha kay na. Ginoo ko, my God. Laban lang po tayo sa buhay, everyone. Kitang tanan, oy, natay lamas kinabuhi, oy. Na, ito yung mga problema, everyone, oy. Pero ako, arang ilingaw-lingaw, akong problema, everybody, oy. Private na akong problema ko, di iling ako, eh. Say-say niyo ba? Luha, usip ko na abot Lisa, eh. Okay na, basta. Pray lang po tayo kay Lord, ya. Siya po ang lahat, ya. Ano saan niyo siya, oy, flowers? Flowers, tingnan siya. Ang Nicholas, he has flowers, oy. Wow. Look, oh, very hard. Very nice. Green flowers, Green flowers, everyone. Oh, nice, oh. Green flowers is nice. I do not get more flower base, everyone. I know. Last time I get here, I do not get now. No. Like sometimes girls have allergy like that, oy. Like that. Si Manoy there, nakatinis, no? The tennis club is there. Have a party na rin, the tennis clubs. Different on here everyone. Tennis clubs, the sports club is different, and the boat also clubs different also. It's not the same all. Many kinds of groups here. Yeah. Many different kind. Duwa manoy alon, manoy alon. Duwa manoy alon. Sus kadaghan ng bulag eh. Igamit ni manoy dito kadaghan. Agkuy ang pagkuan ana ang pagpaluna pud ana aguroy. Kapuya. Kapoy. Intan na or ba na ko manoy. Tuo siya ako sing videohan wala eh. It's not manoy ay. In my peace manoy kay murag disturbing ra ni. Uanta ka nang naas. Look, many people here, everyone. Oh. Hello, everybody. This is your simple and fun family. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Everyone. Many people here playing tennis. Yeah, tennis. Exercise. A little bit old. Maguna sila ora. But still in exercise, everyone. 70 over at everyone. Oh, exercise na everyone. Push up na others. Push up na. Sports league, people sila everyone. Oy. Sports league. Very sports people here. Asa naman ko ani. Nga layo naman dito speaker. So, balik na tayo everybody. Para awin naman to the other side. Very hot there. Very hot. But I like to go back now. I go in the shortcut everyone. I do not go to the hot downstairs because it's very far. We have to go slowly in the house now. Yeah. Slowly but surely. Banhop pa rin everyone. Banhop. Train station. We go to the train station everybody. Yeah. Init everybody. Init. Here is very hot. 30 over degree at 30. Kapoy po dito sa underground yagi. Ngit-ngit. Ari sa open air. Ngit-ngit. Open air po tayo everybody. Bubak na kay may tiil is tired na. Tired na may tiil everyone. May pus, I mean, may put. My foot is tired now. Yeah. Baho, maro kanal Kanal baho. Agkoy. Look everybody. Just arrived. Just arrived at train. Here at train station. Yeah. Timingan jud ta. Just arrived. SBB. Passengers waiting there everyone. Passenger is 12 but everyone going to Brog. After that go back to Zurich. Winter tour. Yeah. Go back to winter tour. Mobiles pro Flegenheim. The mobile Flegenheim that yeah. For old. Go back na tayo in the house everybody. Kaya magluto pa ko Tanaw kung sa ko pagkaos kung anak mo uli og lunch. For my daughter, still have rice there. Yeah. Rice. Remaining is still everyone lacks still eh. No problem, my daughter will eat everybody. Oy. My son only is very difficult. Yeah. Swiss style, my son. Just only small. Tilaw siya na sipon sila. Dili siya pan og sipon si everyone. My daughter is, I don't have problem. Just only my son. Special mo tawo everybody. Oy. Special. Imagine 5 months na 2 weeks is natawo na. He born in the 5 months and 2 weeks. Yeah. We are now here at the train station. Here, oh. Train station, everybody. Padakong truck, asa man siya paingon. Oy, deliver. Deliver si Manoy. Maybe in the Altersheim, in the old peoples live there. Here is the Bahnhof, everyone. Train station. Train station of Neuenhof. Agi. Oy, kay mura napagtong akong luyo. Very hot na, oy. Very hot now. Ay, Diyos ko. We go back, everybody. Go back na ta. Naapaghihapon ng kamera, oh. The camera is still there always, ta. If you drive fast, you have penalty. Yeah, that is the camera, everyone. Oh, camera that. We have to be correct in the walking, cause otherwise we have they will make it a photo with us. That is a camera, everyone. Oh, over there. Yeah, that is a camera over there, everyone. Many people who drive past, there is penalty. Three old lady. The 3 old ladies is talking. Yeah. That is a group. I think mommy before. There is a tour. Tour is coming. I mean here apartment everyone. The apartment here. There. That is the friend of mommy. I don't know si Halo kay kapo na talking always eh. Ang bubak in the house na eh. Hindi na pwede lisaw, ma-over kay nanginit at buki bro eh. Nanginit na. Here is the area again for the throwaway area battle. We pass again here. Ay, sus layo pataglakuan eh. Mga 10 minutes nga everyone. Maybe 10 minutes guys ya. Kapoy na kung tiil, kubak na. Ikapoy na. Na-tired na may pusya. They throw away that everyone. If you like, you can get it. Oh, that. They will throw that, yeah. Still okay, oh. Still is like a brand new, oh. They will throw it everybody, yeah. Nobody will get it. That is the style here is naghan mo silang kwarta, no? Not like me. Panglabay na laman, oy. Ako ilabay na ko, guba na basta na magamit. Pero di guba pa po okay pa. Dili ako ilabay, oy. Asa pa matag ipalit, oy. Sayang. Diri panglabay nga nila. Kaya kung dadun to sa recycling area everyone, magbayad din sila. 5 franc, timbangon to. Timbangon. Bayad na sila 5 franc niya. 5 franc ka na nga. Kung ano mas ato 500 ba na. 500 ba na piso. Sayang yung bayad. Ay. Na pwede. Yun ana na sila diri. Panglabay na lang. Tungkol sa karaghan nila banaa sila. Ako wala dili ko labay sa okay pa. Ay, Diyos ko. Lubag na tayo in the house everybody. Look, oh. 1 hour at over everyone. It's still hard there, stone heart siya. It's still there. Straight na tayo shortcut everyone. The other side is very far. The other side over there is very far. You have to go in the shortcut, yeah. Kindergarten school, yeah. School of the kindergarten. Soon is okay. The kiddos is no more surely soon, yeah. Summer period, yeah. Summer holiday. I'm very happy, yeah. But I have a lot to do in the house, everyone. Oy, grabe ang trabaho ulit sa way kang manok. Na, new building at everyone, oh, new na. Finish na. Just only around na lang din finish around. Outside. But it's finished at everyone, oh. That building is finished, yeah. May layan akong tiil, oh. Ibabak na tayo, eh. So, ibabak na everyone. Ibabak na. Nice building. Oh, finish na. Brand new. Brand new everyone, yeah. Ay, slowly ubak na Lisa, eh. Slowly na. Ay, katul-katul ako na akong. Yeah. Lain-lain akong tiil everybody. Isura lagi na yung mga tayo ka-upload, download, eh. Nagsud kaayo. Nahanglan ta mangita yung taan yung kaayuhan. Ay. Not easy, everyone. It's not easy. So, we go to the other side, yeah. Mga bata. That is a caretaker. Caretaker na tao. Yeah, girl. Oh, relax ako kadiyo dyan. Relax. Let's see. Girls cleaning outside. We have to see Haluya. Great here is Haluya. Nice flowers. The rose. Ay, may layan. Ay, ilay na. Relax sa tagamay. Patakas mo niya ako ang balay. Ay. Our house is there upstairs a little bit. Up. Up and up. The train station and bus station downstairs, everyone there. Oh, downstairs. We are a little bit up and up, yeah. A little bit. Oh. Mag-charge pa ko ni ako ang kuan eh. Ako ang mic kay hope isurok king isa eh. La water ah. Water resistant ya. I have water everyone. In the house I drink ya. Ano everyone 5 minutes na we are in the house ya. 5 minutes. 4 minutes tinok. And then we are there ya. Ay, it's nice because the wind is a little bit strong. I'm very happy. We are there this morning, everyone. We are there to the other side. Now we are go back now here. Yeah. Go back. I'm very happy that wind a little bit strong. Yeah, 3 minutes and more. We are now in the house in the front. Coming. Neighborhood, everyone. Horse. Neighborhood horse, yeah. The sign of the stop. It's not allowed. It's not allowed here. Stop it. We are now in the house, everyone. I'm very happy. We are now in the house. I'm happy. Hoy, Claudia. So, relaxing time, yeah. Yeah, relaxing time, everyone. It's a little bit early to cook, yeah. We open the door, everybody. We are here now. Hi, praise the Lord, hallelujah. Grabe. Inita, everyone. Ang init sa panahon. Grabe. Ito, asa ni pahabgan o gamay, everyone. Guys. Dali, lisa, guys. Oy, kay. Grabe, inita. Mga ato lang nawon ni Lisa si kainit ya. Ay, pag-ibig. Pag-ibig, yun ang always ya. Wait. Take off my shoes, everyone. I have to relax, everybody. Oy, a little bit. Relaxing time, Lisa. Oy. Ay. Mag-relax sa ta, everybody. Mag-talk sa ta, little bit. Oy, mag-mariti sa ta, oy. Paubsan sa na, everybody ya. Ito sa ni paubsan. Diyos ko, God. Mag-maritis tayo, oy. Wait sa everybody, gal. Wait, guys. Kaya take off. I have to put this one here. My kalo also, everyone. I have to put there. Grabe, inita, everybody. Oh. Init kayo, everyone. Oy, guys. Very hot here, guys. Kailangan i-take off please ang cover sa skin kay grabe inita. Ay, napula dyan kung nawong, oy. But I put lotion, everyone, already. But a little bit hot, ya. Init kayo din na, everybody, oy. 6 na 30 degree over, ya. 30. Mudring sa tayo, everybody, ya. Guys, mag-cheers po tayo, guys. Mag-talk sa tayo little bit, guys. I have to prepare for the lunch. My husband will come home for the lunch and my daughter as well. Magmaritis at kadiyo, everybody. I hope all is okay. I hope everybody it will be okay, everyone. I'm okay, everybody. I'm okay. But I have to do it, my job here. Walang katapusan ang trabaho sa bahay, everyone. Kaya laban po tayo. Naman yung naput. Di naman siya pwede good maus-us akong kuan, everyone. Oy, last naman siyang us-us na. A little bit high, but is last na nga us-us. Di na siya pwede us-usan pa like that only. Like that. Kaya laban po tayo sa buhay, everybody. Laban po tayo. Grabe, dali lisag sulod. Uy, kay kainita. Normally, I go out 8 o'clock. I go out already over 9. It's okay for me. I can go out in the 1 hour over, everyone. For me, it's the best, ya. So hot, ya. I don't like in the direct to the hot. I don't like, no. The allergy with me is the sun allergy I have. If I go direct to the sun, I have to scratch my face or body. Kay very dry my skin, everyone. Very dry. Kaya amping po ako, everybody. Oy. Ay, kailangan tayong mag-amping, ya. Mag-cheers sa tayo, everyone. Oy. Oh, the truck is there, the truck. The truck for I have to clean again, ya. The truck for the green trash kan, ya. Sa mga malata ba? Hiyab-hiyabon sa truck. Mugawas na pugko kay every Merkulis man everyone, every midweek, Merkulis, I have to clean. Dayon, kulbon para mauga. Kaya hindi mo limpyuhan manimahong lata. Nahanglan yun siya limpyuhan dayon. Everybody. I hope it will be okay, all God. Subscribe na po kayo, everyone. My YouTube channel, everyone. Guys, please subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Ay, di na pwede maus-usan akong kuan, everybody. You like that only, eh. My stand. My stand of my cellphone. Yeah. Almost lubat time, everyone. Almost lubat. I have to charge. Guys. I cannot use the power bank. My power bank is guba. So I have to charge my cellphone, everybody. I wanna see it to everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share. I wanna see it to everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Because I have to prepare the lunch time. My husband and my daughter will come home. And then I have to clean the trash can. After that, I have to do it. The job in the house as a mother. Go. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Life is life. Laban lang tayo sa buhay, everybody. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next vlog. Bye-bye. Amping ang tanan. Take care of you. Bye.